Hey guys, it's Miss G again for your final weekly update for the year. Um, Virtual school ends this Friday, May the 8th. I know you guys are pumped about that. I'm kind of sad though. I feel like our year got cut short at spring break and we didn't get to finish and kind of do our fun end of the year things. Um, but remember too, there are no final exams. But there will also be a virtual awards ceremony that will be filmed and broadcast. So we will get highest averages to the office. They'll determine honor roll, all that good stuff, and they will broadcast that out. So stay tuned to the social media pages for the district, and there will be more information about that coming out. For this week, you've got to continue listening to the chapters in Sun. Your assignment will be to annotate chapters 11 and 12 and upload your annotations. You'll have one final Mastery Connect practice. It's a poem. It's called Bittersweet. And I think it perfectly sums up our year. It's been bittersweet to have this time away from school. I've been home with my kids and I've enjoyed it, but gosh, I've missed you guys. And I just feel like we didn't get a proper goodbye. And I didn't get to wish you guys a farewell and a happy summer and a great job and all that fun stuff. But I know you guys are going to go on to 8th grade and do so well. You're going to be phenomenal students. You already are. Believe in yourself. You know that you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. Um, don't forget to come back and visit your old 7th grade English teacher. Don't make me come to the 8th grade hall and hunt you down just because you'll be big 8th graders. I've grown so much this year as a teacher and as a person, and I know you have too. Even though we did not get to complete our state testing or do our state testing, I know you guys would have rocked that test, and we would have been an A school, which I already feel like we're an A school because we're awesome anyway. I want to just thank you for letting me be your English language arts teacher this year. And I hope that you have a fabulous summer, a safe and happy summer. Maybe life will return to normal and you can go on vacation and kind of get out and do some normal things. But we just don't know right now. That's kind of how our world is. I hope you're practicing social distancing still and staying home as much as possible, washing your hands, staying safe, taking care of each other. If you ever need anything at all, my email is ajkelly@nasd.ms. It doesn't change. You can even, if you forget it, you can go on the school website and under faculty. It's there and you can shoot me a message right from the school website. So there is that. If you have any questions. Oh, I also forgot your one final assignment after your annotations and your Mastery Connect practice is to upload a video and just kind of tell me what your plans are for the summer, what you liked about 7th grade, what you liked about English, what you didn't like, any recommendations. Always look for those. So I just want to be able to see your faces and hear your voices one last time. Don't forget, I'm also giving participation grades for my Google Meets every Tuesday and Thursday morning from 9 to 10 a.m. and on Fridays by appointment. So if you need any help, you can reach out to me. You can also message me through Canvas. So I'm trying to think of it if there are any more announcements. Virtual school ends this Friday. No final exams. I know y'all are pumped about that. There will be a virtual awards ceremony, so stay tuned. Also, I believe some people had some questions about uniform turn-ins. Direct those to those coaches. Get those uniforms turned in. Just stay tuned for any important information because I'm sure there will be some coming to you pretty soon as far as summer school, summer reading, things like that. But I guess that is it for the weekly update. Oh yes, one more thing. Our dirt pad has been completed and they are pouring concrete on our new house next week. So that's what I'm looking forward to for the summer is watching my house being built. So I'm pretty excited. and then hanging out and playing with my kiddos. Hayes has finished kindergarten. Julia will be 15 months old tomorrow, which is so hard to believe. My baby's growing up. But anyway, I guess that's it. You guys have, again, an awesome, awesome, awesome summer. I hope to see you around town, maybe on the trailhead. And if so, that's great. So you guys keep in touch. This is the last weekly update from your old English teacher. Bye.